If you'd like to apply for an NI number in the UK on e-visa, this is what you need to do. Simply go over to your web browser and search for NI apply. Now once you do this, you need to focus on the site that says gov.uk, and then you can see apply for a national insurance number, how to apply. So click on it and then you'll be taken to the official page. Now on this page, you can see here how to apply. And most importantly, it shows you the documents you'll need. You'll need a passport from any country and a national identity card from an EU country or from Norway or Liechtenstein or Switzerland. Of course, if you have those, you could of course bring them along. And then of course, you'll need to prove your identity. The method is using a photo of yourself holding your passport and photos of other identity documents. Of course, once you read through, you need to click on apply in order to begin the process. Now, these parts are important to take note of so you have everything handy. And of course, once you're done with reading through everything and having all your documents handy, you can click apply. Then after you apply, you need to take note that it will take 4 weeks to get your national insurance number after you've proved your identity. If you need help with this application, of course, you can contact these options right here. So if you're good to go, click on apply. Once you click on apply, everything you find in the forms will be pertaining to all the documentation you have and will be easy to fill in. Fill them truthfully and accurately, and you'll be on your way to successfully apply for your NI number.